Every second, thousands of sausages roll off this line. Millions every single day.
It all starts on farms, where every pig is tracked, fed, and monitored with insane precision. Then in the factory, every cut, every spice, every link is calculated to perfection. Robots, AI, sensors, nothing escapes their watch. Every sausage is scanned, sealed, and shipped worldwide. Different countries, different flavors. One insane machine powering it all. From factory to fork, perfection on every plate. Millions made. One insane process.
This is sausage production like you've ever seen. And it doesn't stop. Every second, thousands of sausages roll off this line. By the end of today, millions will be made.
But it all starts far from here, on giant pig farms, where life begins. Every meal is calculated. Every bite fuels perfection. AI tracks every heartbeat, every step. Nothing is left to chance.
From day one, these piglets are nurtured like royalty. Growth measured to perfection. In just 5 to 6 months, they reach market size. Only the strongest move forward.
Transport is critical. Stress ruins meat quality, and every move is engineered.
From farm to factory, welcome to the industrial meat machine. Only the best cuts survive. Shoulder, loin, rump. Texture is everything. Ground with surgical precision Kamara. One wrong ratio, and the batch fails.
Salt, pepper, garlic, and secret formulas that create legendary flavor.
Millions of sausages depend on this exact blend. No mistakes allowed. Casings prepped. Each type delivers a unique crunch and bite. Stuffed at insane speeds. Influx, twist, separate, repeat. Perfection in motion.
Click, twist, pop, kill. Every sausage a tiny masterpiece.
Steam and smoke lock in flavor, cooking each link to perfection. Cooked to perfection, cooled instantly. Freshness locked in.
Every sausage scanned. Any flaw? Out it goes. Only perfection survives. Packed by robots with surgical precision. Ready to ship worldwide. From factory to tables around the globe of Inketi, nothing stops this machine. Different countries, different flavors, all born from one massive industrial symphony.
AI, robotics, plant-based sausages, Plip Karmak. The future of food is here, and it's insane.
AI, robotics, plant-based sausages, Hikul. The future of food is here, and it's insane.
Welcome to the highest tech pig farms in the US. Every pig is tracked, fed, and monitored like a living machine.
Some farms raise thousands of pigs at once. Every step is precise. Every pig accounted for.
Breeding, piglets, finishing, sanitation. Every zone optimized for speed and safety.
Climate-controlled barns keep pigs comfy and productive. Luxury farming, US style.
Feed delivered with robotic precision. Every bite counted. Clean pens, fresh water, zero downtime. Efficiency is king. Balanced feed, measured to perfection. Science in every bite.
24/7 monitoring tracks every pig.
disease doesn't stand a chance.
Vaccines, checkups, logs, only the strongest pigs survive.
From day one, piglets are raised in comfort. Growth starts fast and precise.
Weeks fly by. In months, they're ready for the next stage. Waste isn't waste. Ooh, it powers the farm with renewable energy. Every pig has a unique ID from birth to slaughter, full traceability. No toxins, no antibiotics. Safety is non-negotiable. Organic, hormone-free, chemical-free, premium pork for premium consumers.
Smart sensors and AI track everything, from barn conditions to pig behavior.
Foot and mouth? African swine fever? Not here. Prevention is everything. Genetic engineering creates pigs that grow faster, resist disease, and produce premium meat. U.S. pork is shipped worldwide. Top quality, strict standards, massive exports. Every move is calculated. Stress-free transport keeps the meat perfect. From farm to factory, the real production begins here.
Clean, precise, and efficient. Nothing touches the line by accident. Ground to perfection, one wrong mix, and the batch fails.
The flavor explosion starts here. Every sprinkle counts.
From here on, precision matters more than speed. Handled under strict regulations, every step is controlled and humane.
This is where biology becomes product.
Every surface is cleaned. Every detail inspected.
Temperature drops fast. This locks in quality.
This is raw pork at its purest. One wrong cut wastes thousands of dollars. Each section has a purpose and a price. Machines now do what humans can't. Perfect cuts at insane speed.
Only the best cuts move forward.
And now, the real transformation begins.
These cuts don't stop, but they're about to be transformed.
One machine, thousands of pounds per hour.
Solid muscle becomes something completely new.
Solid muscle becomes something completely new.
Next stop, extreme heat.
This is where flavor locks in.
1 second too long, and the batch is ruined.
From fire to ice Beatty, instantly.
Only perfection makes it past this point.
Once approved, machines take over.
Every pack is sealed to survive weeks of transport. No oxygen, no bacteria, maximum freshness. Every sausage now has a digital identity.
Millions of sausages. Tracked second by second.
Packed faster than humans could ever move.
Stored just above freezing, waiting to ship.
And now, the world gets fed. Some travel hundreds, others thousands of miles.
America, Europe, Asia, every market, every taste. In Germany, it's all about the snap. In Italy, time creates flavor. In Japan, precision is everything.
In Vietnam, sweet meets savory. One factory, endless variations.
And the industry is changing fast.
Soon, humans won't even touch the process.
From one farm to feeding the planet.
From farm to factory to feeding the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and the next factory is even crazier.